Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be showing you there. Hello everyone and spirit fingers. I'm struggling. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys had an awesome week. Please excuse my lopsided self tan. I kind of woke up this morning and I still, oh my goodness, I've missed a few spots. So anyways, today I'll be showing you how I do my wing line. It's quite a requested video, so if you'd like to see how I do mine, please carry on watching. So what you'll need to achieve a great wing line is, I prefer gel liner, so I like Palladio's gel line. It's also animal cruelty free and I use the Intense gel liner in black. Then you'll need an angled brush. I'll be using the one from MAC in 266, or if you prefer a pencil brush, you could use a pencil brush. So, and this is the one from MAC in 210. I actually prefer a pencil brush, but sometimes depending on my mood, I like an angled brush.
What I first like to do is to line out the flick of my wing and then to carve it out to the middle of my eye and to fill in the rest of the liner after creating the flick. I'd like to do this carefully. I suggest taking your time and to be patient when doing this. It is a process to get that perfect winged line, so really just take your time and try not to get frustrated while doing it. Afterwards, I like to flatten my pencil brush, the tip of it, to give that flick a sharp edge towards the tip. Then I go in with my MAC pencil in Feline just to outline the waterline, my upper waterline, to make it nice and black and to just perfect the look. After that, I go in with the mascara. This mascara is from Flormar and I like to just darken my lashes. You can add lashes to this look, but I decided not to.
So this is how I achieve my wing liner. I'm not saying that this is the right and only way to do it. If you liked the video, please give it a thumbs up. Remember to subscribe to my channel, and thanks for all the support. I really love you guys. Have a good day further. Bye.